to grow a bunch of lettuce like this. Next, take a PVC pipe and drill evenly spaced holes into it like this. This will serve as your main line for distributing water. Attach a water pump like this one to ensure consistent water flow through the system. Now get a larger PVC pipe and make a series of holes in it, arranged like this. Pipe will collect excess water so it can be reused, preventing waste and keeping the system efficient. Then, place your lettuce seedlings on the platform, like this. For added support, place small stones around each seedling, like this. This setup ensures that each seedling receives a constant flow of water. After a few days of care and circulation, you'll have lots of fresh, homegrown lettuce, perfect for making delicious salads and sharing with friends.